Now the sons of Eli were good-for-nothing men. They did not acknowledge Jehovah. And the sins of the attendants came to be very great before Jehovah, for the men treated the offering of Jehovah with disrespect. That is why the utterance of Jehovah, the God of Israel, is, I did indeed say, as for your house and the house of your forefather, they will walk before me to time indefinite. But now the utterance of Jehovah is, it is unthinkable on my part, because those honoring me I shall honor, and those despising me will be of little account. And this is the sign for you that will come to your two sons, Ophni and Phinehas. On one day, both of them will die, and I shall certainly raise up for myself a faithful priest, in harmony with what is in my heart and in my soul. He will do, and I shall certainly build for him a lasting house, and he will certainly walk before my anointed one always. That is 1 Samuel chapter 2, verse 12, verse 17, verse 30, verse 34, and verse 35. Can we see that Jehovah God is perfectly good and perfectly bad? How is this a prime example? What was being done? What action did Jehovah God take? Good as well as bad.